Welcome back. I'm Parul Nagpal, Director of Customer Success at Demand Blue, and you're watching part 2 of our video series on CPQ subscription management, renewals, and amendments. If you haven't watched part 1 on renewals, please check the video description below for that link. On this video, we'll focus on amendments. Now let's talk about amendments. Amendments are created in Salesforce if there is a need to change pricing or quantities on subscriptions for an existing active contract in Salesforce. Once the amendment is created, it determines the date from which the next amendment might be applicable. For example, your contract started in September 2022, goes on till August of 2023. Your first amendment, let's say, is effective from October 22. It means your subsequent amendments can only be after the 1st of October. You can change pricing, you can add quantities, reduce them, add new products on existing contracts by using this amend option. When you choose to amend a contract, it does the same thing, creates an amendment opportunity and an amendment quote based on whatever existing subscriptions are tagged to the contract. Any changes that have to be done would be done on the amendment quote lines, and they will reflect on the opportunity. Your amended quote lines will have a reference to existing subscription lines from the original contract. When the amendment opportunity is closed won, it will go and update the contract subscriptions. So basically, it will add subsequent line items, which if in case existing subscription has been updated, it will create a new line item, which will have a reference to the previous subscription, reflecting the change as of the amendment date, or it'll create a new line without any reference in case a new product is being added. It is recommended that subscription line items co-terminate. It makes it easier to create renewals so that all lines renew at the same time. In case that is not a use case and the subscriptions do not co-terminate, you can choose to create more than one renewal and divide the lines on subsequent renewals based on when they should start getting billed. For a lot of CPQ orgs, these contracts and subscriptions either then tie to a Salesforce billing solution to generate invoices, or they can be sent or integrated with another ERP solution. For amended contracts, amendment subscription final quantity gets tagged based on all the line items that were referring to the original subscription in case you did multiple amendments, and finally gets reflected on a single combined line item at the time of renewal. And the price is reflected from the latest amendment line item subscription. Now, just like in renewals, your amendments are also based, their behavior is defined by the renewal model. The two renewal models that we have are contract-based and asset-based. So if it is contract-based, it means you already have a contract from the opportunity and the customer wants to change it. You can hit amend on the contract, or you can hit amend contract on the opportunity. Salesforce CPQ will allow you to, it'll automatically create the amendment opportunity in quote, and it'll have the products from your original quote. You can adjust these quantities. The amendment will reflect the quantity differences between your original and the amended quote. For asset-based renewal model, you already have assets which are contracted on your opportunity or order, and the customer wants to change their quote. You will hit amend assets on the account or opportunity. Salesforce CPQ automatically then creates an amendment opportunity and quote. It contains products from the original order. You adjust these product quantities, and the amendment opportunity reflects the differences between your original and amended. Here's an example where we've added a package, the Enterprise Complete package, right since the start, which is say 1st of April till the end of March 2023. And on the 6th, on the 1st of June, we've actually added a premium product 10 quantities. And then we also see another package that's been added from the 1st of June all the way end of March. So it's a lesser duration than the original contract. It started a bit later, but there is an additional quantity and it ends on 3/31/2023, which means that at the end of this 3/31/2023, all these lines for the duration of the entire renewal length will get renewed for whatever that duration might be. If it's 12 months, all these lines will get renewed starting, say, 1st of April 2023, and if it's 12 months, goes all the way till 31st of March 2024. CPQ simplifies renewals and amendments based on common use cases for companies selling subscription or SaaS products. It may seem daunting. Renewals and amendments can become simple and easy to understand once you see what are the options with CPQ. We hope that this session enlightened you on the possibilities. Demandblue is a Salesforce CPQ specialist and Tier 2 billing partner, here to help you augment your sales team needs for CPQ and beyond. Call us today to start your CPQ adventure. That brings us to the end of our session today. Stay connected with Demandblue till then. Thank you.